Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my 2023 January Kinder Beauty box unboxing. But before we get into that, I did want to share I'm using the Medusa's Makeup Baked Eyeshadow in the color My Bad on my lids, and I love it. I think it looks fantastic. I don't know why. It just really suits me, in my opinion. I think it's great. Love it. Went on really easily, no fallout, good color. Now, let's take a look in the box. Okay, the first item on top here is from Estate, and this is the Precision Liquid Liner Felt Tip Eyeliner Pen. So let's take a look at that. So here we go, nothing too crazy. I don't like how you have to yank it off instead of twisting. I feel like that is just prone for a mess, but here's what it looks like. So that is a $12 value, and the description says a liner that can handle it all. Plus the Estate Cosmetics Precision Tip Liner is smudge proof, water resistant, and quick drying. So very interesting. I love black liquid liners, so I'm sure I will like this when I finish the one I'm using and need to open another one. The next item we have is from Puram, I guess, and it is the Amino Acid Mild Cleanser. So here's what that looks like. I've got my overhead lighting on today, so it might not come up too well. So this is a $12 value as well. The description says, start the new year off feeling clear-skinned with help from the Pure AM Beauty Amino Acid Mild Cleanser. Gosh, all these items have such long names. Anyway, this product features less than 0.5% of salicylic acid, but will still lift dead skin cells and excess oil without causing damage. Always happy to get a face wash. I will always use a face wash. Although I have to say, these are like standard box items, I feel like, so far. So nothing too exciting yet. Next, we have what looks like a headband. It's very soft, fluffy headband, I guess, to hold your hair back when you're doing your evening or morning routine. So let's read about this. This is an $18 value, which I call bullshit. This probably costs them not even $1 to make. So that's kind of annoying, especially since it's a Kinder Beauty own product. If it were like a skincare item or something, then I would actually extrapolate value out of, be one thing. But this is kind of a BS filler item, and I'm not going to count this as an $18 value. That just feels ridiculous. Honestly, you can get something like this at the dollar store. Anyway, clap back at Splashbacks with the Kinder Beauty Embellished Spa Headband. Made by yours truly, this plush bandeau helps keep you fresh-faced and your wash-up routine mess-free. Plus, it's made from 100% recycled polyester fleece. So, while it's not the worst quality headband I've ever encountered, this still feels like one of those like throw-in junk type items. I'm not wowed by this whatsoever at all. The next item we have, this is a big one. This is probably a full size. This is the Shikai Very Clean Detox Vanilla Latte Bamboo Scrub. Now, Shikai is the brand of body wash that I use, so I'm very excited to try their scrub. I didn't even know they had a scrub, so that's pretty cool. This is a $11.99 value. And it says Shikai Detox Vanilla Latte Bamboo Scrub. Longest names ever on these products. Features AHAs and plant extracts such as bilberry, sugarcane, sugar maple, orange, and lemon that gently exfoliate and moisturize your skin. So this is another thing where it's like, I'm very happy to get it and I will use it, but nothing exciting. There's like no exciting items in this box. But we have one more, so let's take a gander at what this is. Let's see. from Collective Laboratories. This is the Revive Activating Serum with ginseng and biotin. What is a serum for? Your scalp, apparently. So let's read about this. This is a $47 value. That seems exorbitant, but I haven't read the ingredients, so I don't know. So the card says, a serum gentle enough to use regularly, yet strong enough to revitalize scalp health and promote hair growth. Note, this serum has a warming or tingling effect on your scalp. Wash hands thoroughly after application. And then it says, beauty tips, starting with a dry or towel-dried scalp. Dispense a full dropper of serum across your scalp and massage using your fingertips. Be sure to wash your hands when you're done. At $47, I feel like maybe there's something miraculous in here. But generally, my experience with hair drops that claim they're gonna renew your hair is that they are complete snake oil and don't do anything. So I'll keep it. I'll probably give it a try, but I'm not holding my breath that this will do anything. So that really doesn't excite me either. This is kind of a ho-hum box. I will use this, I will use this, and I will use this. This is junk, and this I really need to be convinced because I just feel like they never do anything. So meh, not that wowed with the start of the year for Kinder Beauty. I'm not that wowed with the start of the year for many of my boxes, if I'm being completely honest. Although I say that, what other box have I gotten? Medusa's makeup. So 2 for 2, not all that exciting. Yeah. As far as the score goes, this is gonna be like a passing but not excelling grade. I guess like a C+ maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'm just in a mood. I don't know. But let me know what you thought about the Kinder Beauty box down in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while. Give this the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye!